Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me today. We are going to be decorating our secret beach, and I'm so excited to start this journey with you. Let's get started. So for the last couple of weeks, I have been collecting various items that I thought would look good on my secret beach. So I'm finally just putting it all together. So I have a couple of expensive, high quality items and some more common items and ones that I have crafted myself. So I really wanted to add some cardboard boxes because, Red always ships the art to you. So of course, you would need a way to ship it. So of course, cardboard boxes. And the best part is that you are able to get these free at any time. And I really had a good time finding different ways that I could use them. So I'm definitely going to use cardboard boxes for future projects. And I wanted to include Rover's briefcase from the May Day event. I thought that would really add to the look and make it look like Red was actually moving onto the island. And so now I'm just going to add another barrel. I love adding barrels and like the wooden buckets because it really gives it that rustic look. And I can add this royal crown on top of it and to really highlight it. And a fun fact, if you pick up a lost item and forget to give it back or try to find the person that it belongs to, it becomes an item that you actually can't use for anything. You can't sell it or anything, so I am using it as decoration. We're going to say that that is Red's money pouch, and we're just adding this bucket here because it really complements the barrels that I added earlier. Just for that beachy vibe, I'm going to drop some summer shells, and I bought this desk mirror that I thought looked super cool. Unfortunately, I could not place it on top of the cardboard boxes, which was a shame. So instead, I am going to go ahead and start adding some paths to really give that welcoming and well-used feel. So I found this path that I kind of liked. It was also rustic and went really well with the barrel. And I liked the little greenery. I have used this in the past with some of my beaches, but then in the end I ended up actually not liking that, so I switched to this little deck or pier, and I thought that would actually look a little bit better. And then this way I could have it wider than just one tile. I could do 3 tiles wide. But I thought this would look even cuter, especially like with the bucket on there. And in the end, I'm probably also going to change the slope to something that more fits this area now. Maybe the wooden stairs. I'm not really sure yet. I still have to play around with it a little bit. But now that we have that done, I replaced the bucket. And now I am ready to find a place for this mirror. I have it in a gold color for a more ritzy vibe. Now I realized that I wanted to add flowers, and so I spontaneously run all over my island trying to find the kind of islandy, flowy, if that makes sense, flowers that I want to put here. I don't want to do girly colors because this is for red, but I mean, red flowers for red, how perfect is that? But I really love those cosmos flowers, and my other favorite flowers are these, I believe they're called hyacinths, and the white will work really well with the red. But I also wanted to add some bushes, which I had to grab from my storage in my house. And please ignore all of the craziness that is in my house. I am still in the middle of decorating it. And I just got some camellias from Leaf over on Harv's Island, so I'm excited to see what those look like. So now I am going to take out my shovel and I'm going to try to plot out everywhere that I am going to put the various things. So I think I want to start with this middle one with my flower bush, and then do a red at the beginning, then do a white hyacinth, then another bush, and lastly another one of the red cosmos flowers. I realized after I planted this that there was that one square space, so I ended up digging them up to move it closer so that you could see it from the ledge. And now I am just going to do the same thing with the other side. At this point, I was so glad that you can walk through the flowers, because otherwise I have no idea how I was going to finish this build, since the slope is right nearby. So now I am just checking it out and making sure that everything looks good, and then I want to go ahead and water my flowers, and especially those bushes, so that they will grow faster. And watering your plants also helps you to get more stars for your island, so it is a double bonus. And I just got in the mail this Elden mask from Gulliver, and so I wanted to check it out to see what it looked like, and I decided that it would look perfect in this build, since it kind of has a little bit of everything, and we know that red is well traveled. So I wanted to put it right there beside the summer shells, and let's see what it looks like. So this looks really cool. There's a lot of fun details to look at, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think. See you next time. Bye!